Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your BMW X1 battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm socket wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a new battery. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. The battery is usually located in the trunk, under the floor panel, or sometimes under the hood. Now, let's safely disconnect the old battery. It is crucial to always disconnect the negative terminal first to avoid any accidental electrical shorts. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut on the negative terminal, then carefully remove the cable. Once the negative is free, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal in the same manner. With both terminals disconnected, it's time to remove the old battery. First, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. These often require a 13mm socket. Be aware that car batteries are heavy, often weighing over 40 pounds, so lift with care. Gently place your new battery into the tray, ensuring it is seated correctly. Now, let's connect your new battery. Remember to reverse the disconnection order. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. Ensure all connections are tight and secure to prevent any loose contacts. Once everything is connected, start your vehicle to confirm proper operation. You might need to reset your clock or radio settings afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.